Today you're going to be making Camphor 15% Menthol 4.4% topical ointment. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and weigh out all of your ingredients, and you can also go ahead and weigh your empty ointment jar with that as well. And the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and put your petroleum jelly and your wax into a beaker. And then you're going to turn your hot plate on and put this beaker onto the hot plate. And you do not need to put a stir bar in with this today. And then you can go ahead and take your menthol crystals and your Camphor and mix it into a pestle and mortar. And as you are mixing these two ingredients together, it is going to create a little bit of liquid, which is going to be okay. Right, once you think you've got that good and mixed together, and you have let your petroleum jelly and your wax melt, you can go ahead and take that off of the hot plate and turn your hot plate off, because you will not need that anymore for this activity. And now that it's melted, what you're going to do is you're going to take your glass stir bar, and then you are just going to stir it until it becomes cloudy. And once it is cloudy, you can go ahead and add in your ingredients from your pestle and mortar. And usually the best way to do this is to take your spatula to get everything out, as it does make it a little bit easier. Right, and then once you have emptied out that, you are just going to go ahead and stir all of those 4 ingredients in together. And then you can go ahead and take your empty ointment jar, and then you are going to put your ingredients from the beaker into the ointment jar. And once again, you can take it out with the stir rod, or you can use a spatula as well. Either one works, but the spatula will help you in the long run. And so once that is all out of the beaker, you can go ahead and cap that. And then you are going to put that onto the scale. And then once you weigh that out, you just need to do your percent yield, which needs to be within 10% of the weight that it should be.